The fear of rejection is an illusion. Come in, come in. When I think of times where I feel rejection, I think of my first crushes.
I would never tell her I have a crush on her.
When I did things to fit in.
What would your friends say if we were walking down the hall together?
And all the times I kept to myself because
Fuck that.
eventually I was tired of censoring myself and I decided that if I wanted to talk to anyone, I would go for it. And I started meeting people everywhere. Taking the subway.
Hi, how are you?
Going for lunch.
Are you contemplating the water, dreaming, thinking about life?
Walking around.
In a rush.
Ouch! That definitely felt like a rejection. As I started meeting a lot of people, I realized three things that completely reframed the fear of rejection. Connecting with people is about chemistry. There is some people you click with and others you don't. Chemistry is like a spectrum. On one side, there is people that I met and very quickly I felt like we were almost raised together. And on the other hand, you have people that you can see every day at work for 2 years and you don't even want to grab coffee with them. I can choose who I spend time with. That may seem like common sense, but we've all been introduced to our social life through school, where you're basically stuck with a limited number of kids to get along with. And if you don't, well, you don't really have any other option, which create a pressure to fit in, and that kind of crystallizes within us when we're kids. But as an adult, you can meet as many new people as you want in all sorts of contexts and choose, who you surround yourself with. Find your fit. At the end of the day, you don't really know who you're gonna get along with and who you're not. So don't worry about it, just express yourself and see what happens. You can think of it as if you're like a radio transmitter. It's useless for you to worry who's gonna be able to receive your signal. Just worry that you're emitting the best signal you can, and the rest will take care of itself.